Hi, it's Jackie from the basement. I started to do another one, as you can see, and it just didn't quite turn out like what I wanted it to. And so I've got a glove situation. Okay, I have 3 paper cups down here. These are only 2 because I only have 2 hands. And they're all with the same colors. Amounts approximate. I just in each one. And I think what I'm going to do is like a Flippity-Flop cup and see what happens. It wasn't quite where I wanted that, but okay. Yikes. Let's see if we can maybe make this something totally different or an absolute disaster. What colors am I using in this? That's a really good question. I'm glad that you asked. A lot. Does it answer it? Okay, rose gold, 24 karat gold. Amethyst. These are nice in the cup. I don't know if you can see that or not. Amethyst. Arctic's Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And some kind of a blue. Oh, it's probably Sapphire from Art Deco Extreme Sheen. That's in there. So, we got a little bit of everything. And we're just going to tilt our little hearts out. I really got to come down and clean this. I do. Okay. Just release the cup. Thank you. Or release the canvas. Whatever. Thanks. I got some marbles yesterday. You think I'd think to bring them down? Nope. Because that could have been fun on here. We have some lacing in the black that's going off the edge. This will be different. But different is good. It's not my typical, and that's good. We're branching out. Let's get this corner over here. I've been having trouble with corners if you've been watching me lately. There we go. And it's over there. Try and set these back up on the cups. They really moved on me. It's all good. And here's what we have. I'm liking it. It's odd. Okay. I'm definitely liking this gold down here. Hopefully you can see it all. I will bring you down for a close-up though, after I get my hands kind of cleaned off a little bit. So, how is everybody doing? I guess I could ask that in the beginning, huh? Okay. I hope everyone is doing very well. And that you are getting cooler out in the west. That there's a cool wave coming. I cannot imagine being in that extreme heat for that long. I just, no. I'm not a person that likes the heat that well. Okay. And my prayers go out to those at Surfside, Florida, for those that are under the rubble, and for the families of the people that are waiting on that little bit of hope, that little prayer that they're saying. And there has to be a miracle, people. There has to be. To the rescuers, God bless you. You're all just fabulous, working like you do. It's just, since I heard it happened, I have absolutely been glued to the TV. I want to see him pull somebody out. You know, it's just, when I got up today at 11:30, on my way out of the bedroom, I thought I heard them say that they heard somebody yelling for help. And I thought, oh good, a miracle, finally. And when I got back in the bedroom, I looked it up, and sadly that was 12 hours after the collapse had happened. And that person did not make it. It's so sad. Devastating for everybody. Family, friends. And that they went without an inspection for 40 years in a building where people live. I don't understand that. Okay, let's get off of that and let's take you on a tour here. Okay, there must have been some light purple in there. I may have put... No, I did not put bronze in there. Look at the cells that are popping up. It's pretty nifty looking here. I did put garnet in there. That's what the red you're seeing. In that corner. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. There's a whole garden of cells. Yay. It just keeps on seeming to bloom, which is fine by me. This is definitely something different than what I usually do. Oh, and there's that lacing. That black lacing, that's pretty. So, that garnet and the gold look good together. Absolutely. So that's it for me. Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. I hope everybody has a wonderful evening, a wonderful Friday, and a very safe weekend coming up for the 4th. So, everybody take care, and please like and subscribe, okay? We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.